Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
Check time, 7:59 p.m. Shiki break. In a minute, we are about to begin the evening net of DX1 PRS. All station, please stand by. Shiki break. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Maayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 3rd of December, 2020, Thursday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Security Exchange Commission affiliated with the Philippines Amateur Radio Association and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunication Commission. DX1 PRS conduct its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. The net control for tonight is for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting from Binangonan, Rizal. I am working with Kenwood 281 Alpha, hooked up to Mini G7 homebrew antenna, 37 feet from the ground. Toll station, please 0-bit your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be assisted. Please call DX1 PRS. All station will be standing by. Second call, to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance, please call DX1 PRS. All station will be standing by. Any relay for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs, please call it now. DX1 PRS will be listening. Second call, to any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs. Please call it now. DX1 PRS will be listening. Since this is a supervised net, therefore, all call must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and suffix. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by.
DV1, Sierra Victor Sierra.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Copy, Tito Romano, Tito June, please stand by. Any more? Tito Romano, stand by. Tito June, for Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, go ahead.
John, for G1, teka dali, meron akong monitor eh. Yan, Sir Nelson, good evening. No more traffic, just supporting the net power group, Jackson Perez, 73. Good evening again and mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito June, ng Muntinlupa, also from the group at Head Technical Committee of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi dito, Nelson. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakatabay. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Romano, ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike, is properly logged and clear. 73, paalala ko lang po at pwede po tayong makinig sa live YouTube ngayong gabi po at nakapid po ako. Marami pong salamat at any more station.
For Reds 1, Delta Bravo Sierra.
DW3 Romeo Queen Golf for the net.
Copy, Tito Roel, Tito Fred, please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. Tito Roel, please stand by. Tawagan lang si Tito Fred for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra. Go ahead.
For Reds 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, joining the evening net and supporting PRS. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang Muntinlupa, no traffic 73, and mabuhay and keep safe. Over.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Fred, ng Alabang, Muntinlupa, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting Arwininet. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta, Bravo, Sierra is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station, si Tito Roel. Go ahead, Bigote.
Likewise, Nelson, magandang gabi. DW3 RQG, Royal Lampiña, Laguna, from the group of DXT Latitude, other traffic sa Pentaprimbo Buhay.
Magandang gabi dyan, si Tito Roel. Siya po yung nagtulak sa akin magkumuha ng license nung una kong pasok sa, hindi ko alam na amateur. Maraming salamat, Tito Roel. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Roel ng Binyan, Laguna, from the group, DX1 Latitude. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec Golf, Stroke 1 is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Copy, Tito June, please stand by. Any more? May nakakakopya po ba doon?
Papa Uniform Victor.
Copy, Tito Volter. Unahin ko na si Tito Volter, Tito June at medyo may na sa akin. Go ahead, Tito Volter ng Cuenca, Batangas. Tapos na, Tito June?
Tapos na. Bigyan kasi.
Oo, pasensya na. Dati, kopyang-kopya ko si Tito Volter dito eh. Acknowledge your station, Tito Volter ng Cuenca, Batangas. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for India 1, Papa, Uniform Victor is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko po si Tito June, Delta Uniform 1, Papa, Romeo Foxtrot, one of the net control of the X1 PRS. Go ahead.
Copy likewise, Nelson. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi rin sa lahat na nakantabay.
At yung pala yung ninong mo sa amateur. Okay, now the traffic, just supporting our group's net from Calamba City, 73. God bless, mabuhay.
Oo, si Tito Ruel yun. Pinapagalitan ako dati pag nagte-10 codes ako nung araw. Hindi ko naman alam yun. At magandang gabi dyan. Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Jun, ng Calamba, Laguna. Also from the group of one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Church Station, Delta Uniform 1, Papa, Romeo Foxtrot is properly logged and cleared. 73, Enmore Station.
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
4 Golf 1 November Tango Tango, partner.
Copy to Station, Tito Nick, please stand by. Tawagin ko lang si Tito Bunny, Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu. Go ahead.
Good evening, Nelson. Good evening, June. And good evening all around. 73, we are you.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Bunny ng Calamba, Laguna. Also from the group, DX1 Lima Alpha. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Church Station is properly logged and clear. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station, ang kababayan ko sa Rizal, November Tango Tango. Go ahead.
Likewise, magandang gabi, Tito Nelson, at magandang gabi, Kuya Jun. 4 Golf 1 November Tango Tango, Nick po ng Taytay Rizal. Just joining and supporting the X1 PRS net call 73, and mabuhay po. Ingat-ingat.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Nick ng Taytay Rizal. From the group, the X1 ART, APRAT Incorporated at one of the NCS and board member of the X1 ART. Thank you for always supporting kabayan sa net control ng DX1 PRS, your station for Golf 1, November Tango Tango is properly logged and clear. Next station is DU9, Mike Eco Romeo, acknowledge your station, Tito Mike ng Trento, Agusan del Sur, Mindanao. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station, Delta Uniform 9, Mike Echo Romeo is properly logged and clear. Check-in po siya sa live feed ko. At acknowledge din si Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel. Acknowledge your station, Tito Roger Vergara ng Kidapawan City. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRC Bignet. Your station, Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel is properly logged and clear. Log po siya sa live feed ng FB. Maraming po salamat. Any more station?
Spirit Boy, magandang gabi para Taiwan Yankee Mike Oscar.
4 Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Copy, Tito Elmore at Tito Gilbert. Please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. Tito Elmore, please stand by. Tawag ko lang po si 4 Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar. Go ahead.
Likewise, Tito Ruth, Tito Cesar, Tito Nelson, magandang gabi sa inyo. Pero ang po Taiwan Yankee Mike Oscar, nagpapatala, wala pong ganun mensahe from the group. This from Papa Mabuhay, 73, good night, and see you tomorrow.
At acknowledge your station, Tito Gilbert ng Calambas, Laguna. From the group, the X1 Papa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening Net, your station for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Go ahead.
Good evening all stations. Good evening Tito Nelson for H1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS. You're coming in 5 by 9 dito po sa Muntinlupa. Just joining and supporting the net, please log my station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima with the handle of Elmore from Muntinlupa. No further traffic, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Elmore ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the net.
Delta, Solo 1, Delta.
U1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Mayroon pa po bang isa na hindi ko nakopya? At na dito ay si Yankee Quebec Delta, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Mayroon pa po ba?
Permission ako, Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito.
Yung pong isang station na to the left na mag-check-in, mahina lang po. Go ahead po, at readable naman. 4 Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Delta. Okay, at kindly stand by. Go ahead, Nelson.
Anong call sign, Tito?
Nalimutan ko. Yung pong isang station, Bravo, Zulu Delta po ba? Go ahead. Yan, Nelson, 4 Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Delta. At mahina ng memory ng matanda dito.
Paumanin po do sa mga nauna. Unahin ko na po yung mahina, si Tito Arnel. Go ahead na po ng Rodriguez Rizal.
Bravo, Zulu Delta, go ahead. Copy likewise, Arnel. At alalag ka na ng NCS. Okay, Nelson, tapos na.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Arnel ng Rodriguez Rizal. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko po si Tito Jason. Tito Jason, go ahead.
Po, Tito, magandang gabi po. For Hotel 1, yan kay Quebec Delta. Joining the evening net call. Mabuhay po ang DX1 PRS Net 73. Mabuhay po. Kumakain ng money 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jason ng Tagaytay City. From the group, DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko na po si Delta Zulu 1 Delta. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Nelson. Checking in at supporting the net. 73, salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Don. At from the group, the Hound Philippines Incorporated, the X3 Hound. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. Delta, Zulu 1, Delta is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station. Si Tito Boy, go ahead.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra po. Nagpapatalalan, buwabati na tiklis-tiklis. Tabi ng putat sa dyan sa lahat. Mga traffic, QRX, Karel. Salamat po.
Salamat din, Tito Boy. Acknowledge your station. Si Tito Boy ng Tambo, Paranaque. From the group, the X1 Ace, Cavite Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta, Uniform 1, Alpha, Zulu Sierra is properly logged and clear. At acknowledge ko po yung sa live feed ko, si Delta, Yankee 1, Alpha, Romeo Delta, si Benison ng Cagayan Valley. Magandang gabi dyan sa Cagayan, Benison. 73, your station is properly logged and clear.
D1 Hotel Delta Golf.
41 ABC.
Pakibalik po yung huli.
D1 Hotel Delta Golf. Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Eco Whiskey.
Whiskey, ano po yung kasunod?
Delta E1 Hotel Delta Golf. Honolulu, Denmark, Germany.
Whiskey Hotel Golf, is that Kuya Sel?
Honolulu, Denmark, Germany. D1 Honolulu, Denmark, Germany. Over.
Ayun, si Tito Jay, pasensya na, nabibingi ako. Honolulu, Denmark Golf, standby lang po. Balikan ko lang po si Bravo Zulu Delta, go ahead. Acknowledge ko na pala to. Acknowledge ko din po si Tita Luz B ng Rodriguez, Montalban, Rizal at nag-login po siya sa akin sa FB Light. From the group, the X1 EBM at one of the net controller of the X1 EBM, thank you Tita Luzby po palaging pagsuporta sa DX1 PRS Net Church Station. Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu is properly logged and clear. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel Delta Golf, go ahead.
Yeah, likewise, magandang gabi sa lahat. No traffic, supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, Gabros 1173. My handle is G, my handle, from Valenzuela. Salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito J, ng Valenzuela City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel Delta Golf is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station. To station ABC and Echo Charlie Bravo. Go ahead, Tita Nanette and Tito Al.
Guys, good evening. 481 LCQ, 41 ABC, and to all stations of Manito, good evening. Especially to the X1 PRS. For the traffic, just joining and supporting the net, 73, mabuhay, God bless, together with 4 Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo, joining the
Acknowledge up to station for Echo 1, Alpha Victor Charlie, and for Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo, Tito Al and Tita Nanette ng Muntinlupa City, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting RMNet, George 2 Station, for Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo, and for Echo 1, Alpha Bravo Victor Charlie is properly logged and clear. 73, balikan ko na po si Delta Uniform 1, Hotel Delta Golf, go ahead.
For Golf 1 Alpha November India.
Tito Jay, nandiyan ka pa? Ay, una ko pala siya kanina. Tito Jay, nandiyan ka pa? At Tito Gani, tawagin na kita for Golf 1 Alpha November India. Go ahead.
Good evening, Tito. This is for Golf 1 Alpha November India. Transmitting from GMA Cavite, handled by Gani, supporting the net, no traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Gani ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Golf 1 Alpha November India is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station.
for India 1.
Pakipalik lang po yung for India 1 na wala doon sa Sopix.
For India 1, Lima, Charlie, Pakistan.
Copy, Tito Don. Please stand by. Any more station?
For
D1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
Tito Richie, please stand by. Copy, any more?
For Hotel 1 Bravo Tulo Echo.
Bravo, Zulu Echo. Unahin ko lang po si Tito Meloy at medyo choppy sa akin na for Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Echo. Go ahead po.
Good evening to all stations. For Hotel 1 Bravo Tulo Echo. Joining supporting the net, no traffic, 73, salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Meloy, at medyo nak-scratch ka ngayon sa akin. Tito Meloy ng Commonwealth, Quezon City, from the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko po yung dalawa. Tito Richie, please stand by. Balikan ko lang po si for India 1, Lima, Charlie Foxtrot. Go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, GX1 PRS. 4I1 Lima, Charlie, Pakistan. Joining and supporting the net, no adjust traffic. Maraming salamat, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Don, ng Cainta Rizal, tuwan na sa isa rin sa aking kababayan. From the group, the X1 RAM, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ignet. Your station for India 1, Lima, Charlie Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Delta Uniform 1, Victor Bravo Yankee. Go ahead, Tito Richie.
Good evening, Taiwan. Stay safe and 73 from D1 Victor Bravo Yankee. Thank you.
Queen Echo Whiskey pa.
Queen Echo Whiskey, copy. Please stand by. Any more? Pakabilag po, Bravo, ano?
4G1, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Golf Lima Relay.
4G1, Bravo Golf Relay, please, go ahead na po. Nawala. Acknowledge ko na lang po for Golf 1, Bravo Golf Lima. Your station is properly locked and clear. Balikan ko na po si Tito John at baka mainip. Delta Whiskey 1, Quebec Echo Whiskey. Go ahead.
Control, Kinilig all stations. Bumabati lang po ng 73. Magandang gabi. Keep safe. No other traffic.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jun, ng UP, Los Baños, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey is properly locked and clear. Anymore?
For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo.
Nelson Charlie Bravo Lima.
Charlie Bravo Lima. Ano yun, Tito? Ano na, relay mo na lang? Sige, ano muna, unahin mo na.
Malakas na yun si Charlie Bravo Lima. Go ahead po. Tapos na Nelson, Paul Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima.
Acknowledge your station, Tita Josie, ng Rodriguez, Montalban, Rizal. From the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima is properly locked and clear. At balikan ko po si Tito Rootboy, one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Go ahead, Tito.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, everyone. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. Checking in and supporting our group's net. No traffic, 73. Keep safe. Mabuhay. At good evening din kay Tito June.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Rootboy, ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, also from the group at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo is properly locked and clear. 73, any more station? CQNet, and station B, portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by.
UA1 Charlie, November Delta.
Copy, Tito John. Please stand by. Any more? Si Tito Chito ba to?
USL.
Ayun, ikaw na Tito Chito. Dalawa kasi kayo nung Charlie November Delta eh. Go ahead na, Tito.
Good evening po at just checking in the DX1 PRS. No other traffic. Mabuhay po. Keep safe.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Chito, ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting our DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Charlie, November Delta, is properly locked and cleared. 73, any more station?
Permission to pull out.
Acknowledge.
For Golf 1, Echo Hotel, November, Tito Army, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRS Net. 4G1 PUR for the pull out. Go ahead. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ermi. Acknowledge your station. Yung NCS tonight is for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Maraming salamat for G1 PUR for the relay. Back to you, Tito Nelson.
Thank you, Tito Rootboy. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, for the X1 PRS. Acknowledge Your station, Tito Hermie ng Marikina City from the group, the X1 BSP. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, for Golf 1, Echo Hotel November is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? Any more station? CQNet, any station B, portable mobile or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform, my handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangonan Rizal for DX1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. CQNet, any station B, portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa.
Copy, Tito Darius, please stand by. Any more? Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa, Tito Darius, go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson, for Hotel 1, LCU. Ayan. DW1RXP, just checking in for the evening net, no important traffic. So, excuse me. May 73, salamat. Magandang gabi, over.
Magandang gabi din dyan sa Paranaque, Tito Darius, acknowledge your station. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening Net, your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo, X-Ray Papa is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
DU1 Hotel Lima Victor.
Tito Bani, copy. Please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. Go ahead na, Tito Bani. DU1 Hotel Lima Victor. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Tito Nelson. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nakikinig sa Impapawid 73. Nagpupugay lang po sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Kasama ang aking may bahay na si Delta Yankee 1, Lima India. Si Bani and Leia from Pasig City. Mabuhay!
Acknowledge to station si Tito Bani and Tita Leia ng Pasig City from the group, the X1 ER. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening. Yours two station, Delta Uniform 1 Hotel Lima Victor and Delta Yankee 1 Lima India is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station B, portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangonan Rizal for DX1 PRS. Will be standing by.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa.
Tito Errol, go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening po sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa.
Just supporting your evening at 73. God bless and ingat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Errol ng GMA Cavite from the group DX1 EBM International. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. DX1 PRS evening net, your station for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray Papa is properly logged and clear. 73 Anymore station. Acknowledge station of Tito Rene ng Ilocos Norte, Delta. Thank you for all supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station, Delta, Uniform 8, Hotel Victor Romeo is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi po dyan sa Ilocos Norte. Any more station?
For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Fox.
Ano nga po yun, yung suffix?
For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Foxtrot.
Tito Mel, go ahead po.
Magandang gabi po. Nagpapatala lang sa DX1 PRS evening net call. For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Fox po ito, si Mel. Transmitting from San Mateo Rizal from the group DX1 ARM. 73 everybody. Good evening and good night.
Ayun, malakas sa akin si Tito Mel. Siguro siya ay naka X700 sa San Mateo. At dead spot ako dyan eh. Acknowledge your station, Tito Mel, ng San Mateo Rizal from the group, the X1 ARM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, for Golf 1, Echo Kilo Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. Another check-in sa live feed ng DX1 ng live feed ko sa FB. Acknowledge your station, Tito Dani ng Sariaya, Quezon from the group DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station for Hotel 1 Delta Sierra Papa is properly logged and clear. 73 magandang gabi po dyan sa Sariaya, Quezon. Any more station? Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
For Q1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Copy. Tita Amor, please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. For Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Corporate Secretary of the X1 PRS. Go ahead, Tita Amor.
Magandang gabi, Nelson. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng station. 41 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. 73, send mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tita Amor ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, also from the group at Corporate Secretary ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net, your station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is properly locked and clear. 73 any more station? Acknowledge lang din po si Tito Marshall ng Tugigaraw City. Nagpapa-acknowledge din po siya si For Hotel 1 Bravo Lima Uniform ng Tugigaraw City. Marami pong salamat sa pagsuporta sa DX1 PRS Evening Nature Station. For Hotel 2 Bravo Lima Uniform is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi po dyan sa Tugigaraw. At 73 any more station? mali yata ako nung bangkit nung kanyang tawag rito, kanyang call sign. Ulitin ko po, si 4 Hotel 2, Bravo Lima, uniform ng Tuguegarao City. Tito Marshall, your station is properly locked and cleared. 73, ingat po dyan sa Tuguegarao. Marami pong salamat at any more station. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base, will wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangon Rizal for DX1 PRS, will be standing by. CQNet, any station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Try din po nyo mag-check-in sa tawag rito, Echolink at nakabukas po yung 4H1 LCU ko. At tignan ko po natin kung madidinig sa live feed. Marami po salamat. Any more station? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangon Rizal for DX1 PRS, will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
Break DY1 Alpha Bravo Tango.
Alpha Bravo Tango, go ahead po. Pakibigay na lang po yung complete call sign.
DY1 Alpha Bravo Tango. Good evening, sir. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Just checking the net. Magandang gabi po sa lahat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Alpha Bravo Tango. Ano pong handle nyo, Tito? At atong location?
Ang handle po ay Resty. Ang location po ay San Pedro. Magandang gabi po.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Resty. Is that QSL?
Roger po.
Ayun, si Tito Resty ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Alpha Bravo Tango, is properly locked and clear. 73. CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net.
Hotel 1, Echo United, November.
Tito Erwin, go ahead.
Good evening. Just joining the evening net for Hotel 1, Echo United, November. Maraming salamat po.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Erwin ng Parañaque City. From the Smart, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Hotel 1, Echo United, November, is properly locked and clear. Any more station? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS, will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net, your state. Sikinet, any station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net.
Permission to pull out, Tito Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito.
Delta Yankee 1, Mike, Alpha Romeo on portable. Tito Mar, good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet 4G1 PUR for the pullout. Go ahead. Likewise, God bless 73 and mabuhay Tito Mar. Your station is now lock and clear. Back to you, Tito Nelson.
Maraming salamat sa pag-relay, Tito Rotboy. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, for DX1 PRS, acknowledge the station of Tito Mar ng wala palang lugar. At from the group, DX1 EBM, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening Net Church Station for Foxtrot 1, Mike Alpha Romeo is properly locked and cleared. 73, any more station? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by.
For India 1, Alpha Zulu India.
Go ahead, for India 1, Alpha Zulu India.
Okay, likewise Tito Nelson at Tito Rotboy, magandang gabi. Nagpapadala po sa DX1 PRS. This is Rafi from DX3 Hotel. Maraming salamat.
Acknowledge Tito Rapi ng Malabon. From the group DX1 3 Hotel at one of the NCS of DX3 Hotel. Thank you for always supporting Tito for DX1 PRS. Evening Net Call, your station for India 1. Alpha Solo India is properly locked and cleared. 73 any more station.
Good evening din, Tito Rafi.
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie.
Tito Mark, go ahead.
Yes, good evening, Tito. Good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, supporting Internet. Tito po tatlo, ingat-ingat po, God bless.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Mark, ng DMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike, Victor Charlie is properly locked and cleared. 73, any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
For Delta 1 Zulu.
Go ahead na po, Tito Nick. Ay, mali pala.
For Delta 1 Zulu.
Sige, go ahead na po.
Diretso na ba? Checking in, no traffic 73.
Ayun, mali kasi lumalabas sa akin eh. Pasensya na po at ano po, ayusin ko lang po mamaya. Acknowledge church station for Delta 1 Sulu. It's properly locked and clear.
Break.
Go ahead.
Tito Nelson, si ano yun, sa 4 Delta 1 Zulu, si Tito Gerald ng Tondo. From the group DX1 Charlie India. Over.
Ano nga bang yan ako rito, Tito? Nabago yung ano eh, yung format eh.
Sige, ano mo na lang mamaya.
Sige. Naiba yung format nung lag eh. Acknowledge lang, Tito. At mamaya ko na lang ayusin na any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? CQNet, any station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Ayun, naayos ko na din. Acknowledge your station, Tito Gerald Nantondo from the group DX1, Charlie India. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Net, your station. For Delta 1, Sulu is properly locked and clear. At pasensya na po, nagulo yung code eh. Any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net?
Kopya mo, Tito Nelson.
Negative, Tito.
Okay, pull out natin. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima from the group. Adrian, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet or to our GroupNet. Go ahead. For G1 PUR for the pullouts.
Wala kang kopya ngayon sa akin, Adrian.
Keep safe and mabuhay. You're coming here 553 Santa Rosa, Laguna. Back to you, Tito Nelson.
Maraming salamat, Tito Rodpoy sa relay at acknowledge your station, Adrian ng Lucena City. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting the XR Evening Net, your station for Golf 1. Mike Victor Lucena is properly logged and clear. Any more station?
Lima Echo.
1, Mike Victor India.
For G1 LAD Bordernet.
Copy, 3 station, Tito Mar, Juliana, and Tita Lee. Standby. Any more? Lima Papa, Tito Pedro, please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Lola Pedro, Tito Mar, Tito Robert, please stand by. Unahin ko lang si Tito Lee. Go ahead.
Tito Nelson, joining the net. No traffic. God bless, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Lee, Nanobalis, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for all supporting our major station. Delta Yang Lima Echo is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station. Sorry. Nalito na ako. Balikan ko na po si Mike Victor India. Go ahead.
Hi, Tito Nelson.
Ayun, good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening to all stations. For H1 LCU for the X1 PRSnet. For I1 Mike Victor India together with
Juliana.
checking in, supporting our group's net. No further traffic, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Robert and Juliana. Naiiba na ang boses mo. Si Tito Robert and Juliana ng Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting our evening net, your station. For India 1, Mike Victor India is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko na po si For Golf 1, Lima Alpha Delta. Go ahead.
I thank you very much, Tito Nelson. Good evening to all. For G1 LAD supporting the net. No traffic, 73. Mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Barn. From the group, DX1 Papa, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening net, your station for Golf 1, Lima, Alpha, Delta is properly logged and clear. At balikan ko din po si Lolo Pedro. Go ahead.
Ng gabi po, 555 Papa, sige, no more traffic, mabuhay, PRS.
Acknowledge your station, Lolo Pedro ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening Net, your station, Delta Yankee 1, Lima Lima Papa is properly logged and clear. 73 Enmore Station.
DJ Mobile.
Go ahead na, AGJ. Tito Echel. Yahoo! Tito Echel. Nawala. Acknowledge lang kita, Tito Echel. Si Tito Echel ng San Pedro, Laguna at siya po ay nakamobil ngayon at nawala na po at mukhang hindi na siya makabato sa akin. Acknowledge your station, Tito Echel. Thank you for always supporting our evening net, your station for India 1, Alpha, Golf, Juliet is properly logged and clear. At hindi na kita nadinig kaya acknowledge lang kita. 73, ingat-ingat sa pagmamaneho. Any more station? Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, and station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station, 4 Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform Port. DX1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, and station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net.
Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango.
Alpha Kilo Tango, go ahead, Tito Robeno.
Magandang gabi, Control, at magandang gabi sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango, nagpapatala lang sa gabing ugnayan. Chicken na traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Roweno, Nandas Marinas, Cavite. From the group, the X1 Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango is properly logged and clear. 73 at pasensya na po, di po ako mapag-log in ngayon sa mga net call at nagagamit ko po itong radyo ko sa sa pag-recording at pagla-live natin. Nakasama po kasi siya sa computer ko. At pasensya na po. At pag mayroon na akong isang unit na pang-transmit, makaka-check-in ako sa inyo. 73 Enmore Station. Acknowledge ko lang po itong nag-check-in sa live feed si Judy ng Argent Artmark Incorporated. Thank you for DX9 UAI. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net kahit malayo. Your station, Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. At kasama po yung isa si DX, saan ba ito? Isa lang pala siya ng New Bataan at Davao de Oro from the group DX9 UAE. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station is properly logged and cleared. Tita Judy, gandang gabi po dyan. Salamat. Any more station? Ang kanya pong call sign, Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Foxtrot. Si Tita Judy from Kamanlagan, New Bataan, Davao de Oro. Ang grupo niya ay DX9 UAI, Argent Amateur Radio Club Incorporated. Magandang gabi po dyan sa Davao de Oro. Any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? It's 9 o'clock na pala. May hahabol po ba? May gusto po bang umabol? Wala na. Last call. CQNet. Any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station, Port Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Last call. Ayun po, magre-recap po tayo at walang tawag dito. Uy, mali yung aking numbering tawagin ko na po si Paul Golf 1, Delta, Quebec, Juliet, Doc Ina, and W6, Echo Uniform Golf, Stroke 1, Tito Jean, for India 1, Bravo India, Tito Jojo. For India 1, Bravo Hotel Echo, Tito Jan. For Golf 1, DUC, Tita Jo. For I1, Echo Romeo Tango, Tito Eric. For Golf 1, Queen Alpha Zulu, si Tito Joy ng aking kababayan sa Binangonan. Excuse me po. For Golf 1, Delta India November, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike, for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo Quebec Golf, Stroke 1, Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot. For India 1, Papa Uniform Victor, Delta Uniform 1, November Tango Zulu. For Golf 1, November Tango Tango. Delta Uniform 9, Mike Echo Romeo, Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel. For Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar. For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta. Delta Zulu 1, Delta. Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Delta Yankee 1, Alpha Romeo Delta. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta. Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel Delta Golf. For Echo 1, Alpha Victor Charlie, Tito Al. For Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo, Tita Nanette. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel Delta Golf. For Golf 1, Alpha November India. For India 1, Lima, Charlie Foxtrot. Delta, Uniform 1, Victor, Bravo Yankee. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo. Delta, Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. For Golf 1, Bravo Golf Lima. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, Tito Root Boy. For Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima. Delta Yankee 1, Charlie November Delta. Tito. For Golf 1, Echo Hotel November. DW1, Romeo X-Ray Papa. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel Lima Victor. Delta Yankee 1, Lima Lima India. For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-Ray Papa. Delta Uniform 8, Hotel Victor Romeo. Hotel Victor Romeo. For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Foxtrot. For Hotel 1, Delta Zulu Papa. For Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. For Hotel 2, Bravo Lima United. Delta Yankee 1, Alpha Bravo Tango. For Hotel 1, Echo United November. For F1, Mike Alpha Romeo. For India 1, Alpha Solo India. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie. For Delta 1, Zulu. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima. Delta Yankee 1, Lima Echo Echo. For India 1, Mike Victor India. For Golf 1, Lima Alpha Delta. Delta Yankee 1, Lima Lima Papa. For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet. Tito Edsel. For India 1, si Mike Victor India, Tito Robert and Juliana. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango. For DW9, India Hotel Foxtrot. Delta Victory 1, Kilo Whiskey Mexico. For Golf 1, Lima Delta Kilo, DB1 ULM.
For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, late check.
Go ahead, Tito Raymond.
Likewise, good evening dito, Root Boy. Pasensya na, medyo na-late. Anyway, just checking in and joining the net of Delta X-Ray 1 Papa Romeo Sierra. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, 73. Salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Raymond, Nandas Marinas Kabit. From the group, DX1 WAPI. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Minute. Your station for Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie is properly logged and clear. At acknowledge lang din po si Tito Mike na ng Baguio City. Si DW2, Mike Bravo. Si Tito Michael. At magandang gabi po dyan sa Baguio City. Your station, DW2, Mike Bravo, is properly logged and clear. 73.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
Yun, Tito Dan. At naisama na kita. Sige na rin.
Good evening, Nelson. Good evening, fellow hams. Supporting our group's net call with no traffic. Pasensya na, kararating lang. 73 and fine evening to all. Keep safe. Mabuhay.
Habol na habol pa naman, Tito Dan. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Dan ng Binyan Laguna, also from the group. At auditor ng DX1 PRS, thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station your station for Golf 1, Lima Delta Kilo is properly logged and clear. Meron pa po ba? Ayun, wala na. At atin na pong sarado ang net call. Kung may habol pa po ba, habol lang kayo. Sasama ko kayo sa check. Hindi pa ako nag-out. We would like to thank all stations who check in for tonight. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow, the next day edition of Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform saying thank you very, very much and good evening to all. Good night. 73. Nasaan na ba yun?